Hey everybody, thanks for watching. In this video, I want to show you how you can use Excel or Google Sheets to organize your writing process, whether you're writing an article, blog content, a student paper, research paper. This is something that I sort of stumbled across and want to share with you. So Google Sheets is a free version of Excel, essentially the same program, and that's what I choose to use. So in this example, I have a Google Sheet, and what you do is you'd go out and you'd get all your research information, and I choose to put it in starting in column C, row 2. Starting here is where I'd start entering in all my data, and I would make the cell as long as I needed, and I'd also select it and choose format text wrapping right there, so that as I put in more data, as it reaches this line right here, it's going to wrap back around and create a paragraph look rather than writing off the page. So I'm going to skip ahead to where I have some information in these cells, and as you can see, this is what it might look like if you were just to go out and gather some information. So now what you want to do is in column A and B is to read through this information and sort of decide where you want it in your article or your finished product. So you would think in terms of each paragraph or each section of the finished product being a letter of the alphabet. So I'm not gonna read through this right now, but I'll change this information after I look at it. So it might be like, I want this to be further down, so I might put this like in maybe the second paragraph. This will probably be after that, so definitely in this paragraph after that. This would be in the first paragraph. Probably the second paragraph, and so on. So you just do that. Once you have this all filled out, you'd come back in and you would, let's see here. I'll just go ahead and finish this out for the example, but again, this will all change. Okay, so now what you do is you would select the whole page, and you would go over here to create filter, which then puts these little triangles on it. Then select on it and do A to Z. And so now you start to see what your first paragraph, your second paragraph, your third paragraph in rough draft would look like. And so now what you do is in the second paragraph, or second column, column B, is if you want to, you can just only look at the first ones and just be like, okay, so this would be the first part, obviously. This would be the second sentence, third sentence, fourth sentence. This is just an example, of course. Select all. And so now I could do the same thing with just the B's if I wanted. Okay, this would be 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to skip ahead to where I have this example filled out. And you can see here that I have column D, which we will go ahead and add the filter to. So now we could do, looks like it's already, nope. So when you're doing 2 columns, you have to select the whole page and go to, I think it's data, yes, sort range. And then if you have in the first row, if you were to put labels for that, you would select this, but I have not, so I won't. You want 2 of these, so you'll do column A through Z, and column B, A through Z, because it's numerical, so it'll do the same thing. Hit sort. Oh, and I can see what it says. Because I said I didn't have a header, it made that bold. So I'm going to undo that and redo it. And go to data, sort range, select header. Add another one of these. Okay, so now here we go. We have all the A's, 1, 2, 3. All the B's, 1, 2, 3. 4. That one had 4, as you can see. So now what we would do is we would select all this, go to a Google Doc, paste unlinked. Oops. I'm going to do Control, Shift, and V, so that way I don't have all the cells in there. Control, Shift, V, paste without the formatting. So now all I have to do is just read through my document several times and work on transitions between these sentences and make sure that these sentences are my own and not taken too much from the original content. So that is how I have been using a spreadsheet to write my content. Thank you for watching. Bye.